Welcome back. Today, we're going to begin part 3 of the How to Budget series. My name is Adam Lasowski. Welcome to the 3-Minute Advisor. Let's start the clock. First, congratulations on making it this far. We've begun the process of tracking our expenses. We've captured them and started to categorize them into things that we're spending on and things that we have to be spending on. Again, our mandatory expenses that we covered in the last series. Today, we're going to look at the flip side of the coin. That's money that we have coming in. We're going to look at where we have it coming in from, how regularly, and how much, perhaps most importantly. We've got a lot to cover in this, so only 3 minutes to do it. We're going to have to move quickly. Let's go ahead and get started here. Step 1, enter all the names of all the income you have that's regularly coming in. Now, I would define regular income as something that you know for sure is going to be hitting your bank account over the next 12 months. Even if that amount changes month to month, you should still list it here. We want these income sources on the same spreadsheet or app you've been using for your expenses, just in a separate place, as this is going to balance out our budget. More coming on that later. For step 2, we're going to want to enter the gross amount of this income on a monthly basis next to each source. This number is almost always going to be much higher than you'll actually get to deposit into your bank account. Again, we're going to want to capture this amount as monthly income. If your only source of income is from a job in which you get paid an annual salary, then this step is easy. Just divide your gross salary by 12. One last note about this step. It's important to use the gross salary before any withholdings, because we're going to have another column coming later to track our automatic savings, like when we're putting money into retirement. Step 3. If your pay varies month to month, you're likely going to need to estimate some of your income just as closely as you can. I would suggest tracking your income for at least 3 months and then use the average of these values as that monthly income number. If your income experiences high fluctuations month to month or season to season, then your past year tax documents, like your W-2, could be extremely valuable. Remember, the goal of the budget is not only to organize our financial picture today, but to use it as a vital piece of our plan moving forward. The more accurately we can capture things like income and expenses now, the more valuable and the more accurate that tool is going to become for us in the future. In the next episode of our series, we're going to take a look at the final piece going into our initial budget, how much we're saving. Now, if you're someone who isn't saving anything at all, well, this next step might be the easiest of all. But I'm going to beg you, please keep going with this series. Put some of this into action, because this stuff is going to have the largest impact on you. If your goal when you started this series was to get better at managing your finances and managing your budget, I want you to pat yourself on the back for getting this far. Remember, you can do this. And if you can't, maybe we can help out. Shoot us a message and let us know. Thank you so much for watching.